Hello to all the beautiful people out there, and I welcome you all to Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform. So, my face might be new to you, so let me first introduce myself. My name is Sumit Soni, and I am a practicing chartered accountant, and I belong to the city of Oranges, that is Nagpur, right? And beside doing my CA, I have done many other courses, that is Diploma in Information System Audit, certificate course on Ind AS, certificate course on Public Finance and Government Accounting, and certificate course on Concurrent Audit of Banks. Beside a practicing chartered accountant, I have a firm named End-to-End Experts, which is a management consultancy service firm, and Moneython, which is an investment advisory consultancy firm and a portfolio management firm. Right? My passion is teaching, and I have been teaching accounts to all the students from the past 10 years, and I have taught future income tax officer and IS officers as well at Nagpur branch of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India as well, and various academies of Nagpur as well, right? So today we are going to listen to a very motivating poem, and the name of this poem is I Will Fly Higher. No doubt this poem is so close to my heart and has motivated me many a times, right? Just because this poem is written by me, so it might not motivate you to the same extent that this motivates me, but this motivates me a lot. I've written this poem almost 12 years back on 27th November 2008. Here, flying high does not mean sitting on a plane or having wings and flying high, right? I am not in my dream. Here, flying high means doing something better in life and reaching to a new heights in your professional career, in your life, or whatsoever you do. But guys, we are surrounded by such people who are so jealous of us, who do everything they could do to pull us down, right? They behave as if they are your well wisher, but behind your back, they plan against you and they pull you down. Be it your professional life, be it your office, be they are your friends, be they might be your relatives, or they might be anyone, but they are so jealous of us. They put all their attention not in growing themselves but pulling you down. So this poem is literally about this. This poem may contain the word falling down. Now, falling down does not mean actually falling down on a road, but falling down here means, right, having a stoppage, having a break in your professional career, or falling down in the path of your destination, in the path of your success. So let us go ahead with the poem, and I will tell you that there comes a time when the table flips and you comes in the commanding position. If you keep on trying, if you keep your mind focused to what you want to achieve, you will one day achieve that thing, and you will also come in a commanding position. But what happens, we cannot become like these people, these politicians who do politics, who do corporate politics at all levels. So we cannot become like these people, and we are just we. So we just cannot, even if given a chance, we cannot take revenge. And if you sometime, if any point of time, you get an idea, you get a feeling that I want to take revenge with this people, I'll tell you, never do this. Just become yourself. Just become yourself, and you will achieve whatever you want to achieve. So let us move ahead with our poem. The name of the poem is I Will Fly Higher, and once again, it was written by me on 27th November 2008. Whenever I try to compete with people flying high who are on a better position right now, so whenever I try to compete with people flying high, they either fly higher or I fall down. But I don't quit, I don't worry. I again get up and aim for the crown. This race between me and them, I know will end never. One who is right on top will never be on top forever. Tell them who has pushed me down that I have started flying again. Again I will reach to them just to get pushed down again. I know I'll fall down again. I know I'll get hurt. My knees will wound, my mouth will bleed, and body may get cuts. Outside I may cry out loudly, but inside I am brave. This time I will fly, not to get pushed down, but to make you a slave. But I'll not be cruel to you like you have been to me. I will open up your chains and surely set you free. I'll thank you. You once pushed me down, which encouraged me to rise. And now, if someone pull me down, I know I'll go up twice. Yes, guys, this was all about this, right? You must have the attitude, you must have the focus that you will achieve whatever you are born to achieve. You will achieve it. But we cannot be like these people, we cannot be cruel like these people. We will just set them free. And first of all, thank all these kind of people who just try to pull us down. They are our real motivator, right? And we must have the confidence, right? We must have the confidence. If someone will pull us down, we must have the confidence to bounce back, and we will go up twice. We all have that hidden wings within us, right, which we have to use and fly higher and higher in your life. I hope you will fly higher and higher in your life and achieve great heights, right? So थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू माई पोयम. एंड अनअकैडमी पे आपको बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस तो मिलते हैं. यू गेट सो मेनी एडवांटेज. वन ऑफ सच एडवांटेजेस, यू गेट मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर, यू गेट टू नो न्यू थिंग्स एंड न्यू talent of your educators as well, right? So please download the Unacademy app and follow me on Unacademy. My name is Sumit Soni, and in any case, if you download the app and you find your videos logged, so to unlock the video you will need a special code, and that would be Sumit YT, SUMET, Sumit YT. This video will not only unlock your videos, this code will not only unlock your videos, but it will give you a special discount of 10% if you are planning to take subscription, right, of 10%, right? So go ahead with this code and take the advantage of discount as well, right? So for 21,000 of subscription of 2 years will be available on 18,900 only, and you may use your learning credits as well. So thank you so much guys. If you like the poem, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. And right now this is the recorded session, so I am not live, I cannot read your comments, so I'll request you specially to comment on this video how you like the video, right, how you like the poem. And thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much.